Hi there, welcome to this tutorial for the ukulele play-alongs of Dear Santa as recorded by OneRepublic. This is one of my new Christmas play-alongs for the 2025 season. In this video, I will talk about the chords you need for GCEA soprano concert tenor ukulele, then I'll talk about the chords you need for baritone DGBE ukulele, and then I'll talk a little bit about strumming. If you want to support the work on this channel, there are three things you can do. First of all, you can like this video. Second, you can subscribe to my two YouTube channels, the Uke Play-alongs channel and the UkeStuff channel. And third, you can always buy me a cup of coffee to say thank you for making this content at www.buymeacoffee.com/UkeStuff. All right, let's begin with the chords you need for GCEA soprano concert or tenor ukulele. You'll need a C chord, the E minor chord, the A minor chord, the G chord, the F chord, and the F minor chord. Now, realistically, of those 6 chords, the hardest one is going to be the F minor chord. Here's how I want you to think about it. You know how you play your D7 chord? Slide up 1 fret, then add your pinky to the 1st string 3rd fret. And those are the 6 chords to play Dear Santa by OneRepublic on GCEA soprano concert tenor ukulele. Now let's talk about baritone ukulele. All right, on baritone ukulele, we'll need the C chord, the E minor chord, the A minor chord, which is the C chord with an extra finger. So those 3 chords are very similar to each other. The G chord, an F chord, which is a partial bar chord. You're gonna take your first finger, cover strings 1 and 2 right above the metal 1st fret, pull against the fretboard. That should give you most of your sound. Add your thumb for some light support, and then add 2 fingers. And then the final chord is the F minor chord, which is a full bar chord. Take your first finger, cover all 4 strings right above that metal 1st fret. Then add your thumb for some support. And then reach over and play the 4-string 3rd fret at the same time. Now, just as a note, if you are struggling with that bar chord, number 1, make sure you're not pinching, but you're pulling. But it could be the action on your ukulele. Action is the space between the top of the fret and the bottom of the string, and it should be relatively small at the 1st fret, 0.5 millimeters at the most. So it's supposed to be pretty close. If your strings are way up, which means that your instrument hasn't been set up, it can be really hard to play that, and it also can sound bad because it pulls the strings out of tune, because you really have to pull down to make the sound. So if your ukulele has not been set up, if you don't know how to set it up yourself, it is a recommended thing to do to take it to a luthier and have it set up so it's easy to play. And those are the 6 chords you need to play Dear Santa by OneRepublic on baritone DGBE ukulele. Now let's talk about strumming. As it comes to strumming, there was no ukulele used in the original version of this song, so therefore there's not one single right answer on how to strum. There are 3 rules when it does come to strumming. First of all, play the right chord at the right time. Second, keep a steady beat. And third, make sure that whatever you are playing matches the style of the music. As long as you do that, you're fine. You're okay. Now, if you can't figure out what you want to do, that's what this part of the video is for. But again, feel free not to use it if you like something else. Now, the first thing I will say is that the song opens up with single strums. And when I play single strums, I'll use the C chord as an example. What I do is I use my thumb, because it gives me great control, more so than using like a single finger. I just don't have the control that I do with my thumb to be able to go slowly across all 4 strings and get a really good sound. So with the single strums, that's what I would do. The next part makes up pretty much the majority of the rest of the song. Here's what I would do. Using the chords C, E minor, A minor, and G as an example, what I hear is this going down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. And the down, up is swung a little bit, but it's a pretty fast tempo. Again, it's down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. That will work really well for pretty much the rest of the song. All right, so with those chords and that strumming, that's all you need to do to be successful on Dear Santa as recorded by OneRepublic. I assume since you're watching this video that you celebrate Christmas and are playing Christmas music. So in that case, I want to wish you and your family a very Merry Christmas. Thanks so much for watching the video. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll be back soon with some more Uke stuff for you.